Subscribe Tech Dude YouTube channel to get latest technology videos.
Hi guys, what's up? This is your Tech Day. Today I will explain Lexip gaming mouse with two internal joysticks. This is the first joystick internal and control tilt mouse cell simply to your mouse cell up, down, left and right control a variety of moves. This is the two axe joystick cells. This full function 3000 3 lakhs joysticks positions to CPU. The second joystick is controlled by your thumb and give up to ample customizations and premium ergonomic truly 3D dimension gaming experience without even needing additional command keys shortcuts keys. Two axe joysticks is full vision plus 30 degrees all directions. This is the joystick angle stick. This I-Performance ADNS980 laser capture 8200 dpi speed is accurate 150 IPS 30 grams. This is Star Citizens and the Rock Lake and Overwatch. These top compatible games are this given below. Lexip gamers simplify your gaming setup and resulting of the natural feeling with mechanical feedback and friction just like those controls you use every day. This is the frames per second like a Rainbow Six Arc or Counter Strikes of this Lexip's gaming change without losing accuracy. All the mouse incredible upgrading gaming. This is the games for like a minor craft or front end beginning is the my keyboard has drastically increased my gameplay to the good. This game paying purpose mouse is playing game. This is mouse and flight stick in one of them. The building gaming, racing games. You also play this mouse racing games. GTA 5 Trackmania. First person shooters game also. The MMOs and mobs gaming. Lexip PRO users. It is using technically designing CAD designing engineering designing purpose. It mouse very useful. Lexip lefts. Come up the left side of Lexip. This is the button is given. This is that kickstart. The customizable this one. Set a program specify macros and adjust the gaming sensor DPI and change the sense to both joysticks. Adjust dead zones and adjust RGB lighting and more. Many more adjustments are there. This mouse are given these options. We might have had to before Lexip first released the few years for professional 3D mouse press European Lexip competition, but we are bunch passionate gamers. Lexip 3D from mouse. What is new? 3D PRO gaming mouse. It is the Lexip 3D PRO gaming mouse. Left hand version available. Clip-on snap wires and different rubbers including extra gel built of backers and customized RGB lighting changes. Thanking you, Tech Dude. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. What is the inside this Lexip gaming mouse, 3D mouse and two joysticks? Now I will show you. This microcontrol circuit board to top cell. This is the microcontrol circuit board. This 48 OFN PCB plugging. Omara click switches are there. This is the click switch, and high frequency accelerator meter also is connected this side. This is the first and double draw plastic injective molding. Stump joystick circuit board also is there. This is the stump joystick circuit board. This is hybrid PCB plugging. This is the plugging this place. This is hybrid PC plugging, high frequency double angle recording. This one. This is the internal joystick core. This is the internal joystick core. Mechanical force feedback and double ABS steel over molding. This is the bottom cell of circuit board. This is the bottom cell of circuit board. This is the IC. This is high frequency accelerator, 6 customizable RGB LEDs, ADNS 9800 laser sensors, and 8200 DPI. This mouse is this is 4.7 inches. This width is 2.8 inches. This side height is 1.7 inches. 2 years warranty will available. Stretch goals this. Thanking you for tech. Please subscribe my videos. Please like my videos.